We are going to be reading The Monster Beneath the Sea today. So the first thing I would like to do is I'm going to actually have up the slides and go over the lesson, and then I will add a second attachment or video for us to actually read the book together. So this is going to be The Monster Beneath the Sea. We're reading pages 31 through 36 today. Our foundational skills. We have our Latin roots. We're doing aqua and dic. What does the word aquatic mean? So we know it has to do with something. Aqua means water, so it has to do something with water. What does the word dic mean? Ooh, I wonder if anyone remembers what dictionary would mean. Okay. We're going to go over some of our vocabulary. Commotion, page 33. As the artist began to pack his tools into a canvas bag, he heard a commotion outside on the street. It's a noun. It means noisy disturbance. So we have synonyms like racket, uproar, ruckus. And in the picture here, you see Timmy Turner from the Odd Parents. He is causing a commotion. You could also say he's causing a racket. He's causing an uproar or a ruckus. So he's causing a noisy disturbance. Remember, commotion, noisy disturbance. On page 34, grateful and filled with hope, the artist accompanies the gods to the seashore and sat down on a decaying dock. It's an adjective. Means decomposing and falling apart. So you see here that we have this dock that has like the green moss on it. It is decomposing, it's falling apart. Synonyms include deteriorate and decline. So you see that the bottom picture here shows that this is a dock that is declining. I chose these specifically so that way you can remember decaying dock means it's fallen apart. That dock is fallen apart. Torrent on page 35. The god and fish wrestled, rolling over and over, creating a storm of sand along the ocean shore and a torrent of waves up above. It is a noun. It means a strong and fast-moving rush of water. Synonyms include flood, cascade, stream. Here you see a cascade of water, and down below you see a stream of water that's really rough. So something else I wanted to go over with today would be our write and response. Okay, our write and response on page 247. The directions say to reread, so even after if you watch the first video, you need to reread on your own. Pages 31 through 36 of The Monsters Beneath the Sea. How does Kamish do the best to make sure that the people of Japan will be protected from earthquakes? So we're looking how he does the best to make sure that he protects everyone in Japan from earthquakes. Remember that we like to cite our information, so citing means that we put it into parentheses. We'll put the page numbers, like if I find it on page 31, I'd put in parentheses on the side next to my source, page 31. Okay, and then I also wanted to go over our writing, okay? So the prompt for the writing is, what character traits does Nazumi show? Support with text evidence. So I'm going to remind you that character traits, we pull character traits from FAST. Remember, FAST is feelings, actions, speech, and thoughts. So feelings are like sad, happy, mad. Actions are the things that they do. So like if I hit my baby brother with a spoon, my action would be hitting my baby brother, right? My speech would be what I say out loud. So usually those are going to be in parentheses. Our thoughts are things that we don't necessarily say out loud, but we think in our head. And so I gave a sentence prompt here. Naizumi is blank. I know that because Naizumi is blank because of the text. It says blank. So if I were going to pretend that I was going to use that hitting my baby brother in the head, Nazumi is mad. I know that because Nazumi hit his baby brother in the head out of anger, because in the text it says Nazumi hit his baby brother's head because he was angry. You could also say, like, Naizumi is frustrated. Okay? And you could take frustration, like if you found words that would show that he's frustrated, you could use the words as your evidence for his frustration. Or you might say the word, I'm frustrated, and that would tell you that that's what it meant. He might show through his actions that he's frustrated, and you just have to come up with a reason how it shows that he's frustrated. Okay? Thank you guys so much. If you need any help on lesson 1 of The Monsters Beneath the Sea, please let me know or your teacher know. Have a good day.